Kanhun Menteri Kebelai Kendo haka sautrik menaitung arhajar arpuar kelasya megarai ban penkela thamai no iki kendon jong Megalaya Profession, Trade, Callings and Employments Taxation Act khat kendai spa sabuh nyo. Kebahukum set along iki breu kibam siu khoi ke khajna kebelatip komka professional tax. Kani karai kelami haka jingalang jong kanhun Menteri bela penyadu Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma beli thu bakat kum kini kejim penkela thamai ke kendon. Baru kinong siu khajna professional tax kan ban register ila dia pada kini an pensyong nongrim kat kum kijaka ki bahapok ke schedule area but non schedule area. Hai kijaka 6 schedule ne schedule area kinong siu khajna kan ban register ila dia hagi district council. Kat bajong ki non schedule area kan ban register hapok ke tenat taxation kejela. U Konrad Kongkal Sangmau lepentip bagi Sorkar kelarai ru bakino ki bakamai duna ya ke iwei point pralak tengkah ke sisnem kinom dan kam satya ban siu ke khajna. U Konrad Kongkal Sangmau lepentip bagi kejing penkela kakwa ru ban penduna ya kejing pia eki kerdan siu khajna na ka khat arteli sya ka sauteli. Uloong bakan don ka ba iwei point pralak hadu lailak ha ka ba ka khajna kan long san spa tengka nang ta lailak hadu sanlak ka khajna kan long syajar tengka sanlak hadu nyo point sanlak ka khajna kan long syajar san spa tengka bat palat ka nyo point sanlak kan long arhajar san spa tengka. U Konrad Kongkal Sangmau uloong bagi Sorkar kelarai ban pendamno eka kendon ke hukum ban set along haduk laisnem igi breu ke bam shim siu khoi eka khajna. Ndrei ha kejaka jongkani kan donno de kuna igi breu ke bam siu ka khajna bat katakan longno de ke jinghap siu haduk sausha ya ke beri ban siu. Nalor ke jinghap siu ke sut ke belong khat ar nak sispa sisnem igi tu ke baslem ban siu ke khajna. Kani ke jing penkela ki kendon kene ka an kan trekam na duk sitrik uyayong mentag snem arhajar arpuar.
That is paid. We have decided that number one, there has to be mandatory registration by all, and these will be of course based on schedule areas and non-schedule areas. In the schedule areas, that will be done by the district councils, and in non-schedule areas by the taxation department. Second, we have also amended is that anybody who has annual income of less than 1.8 lakhs will not have to pay anything. Earlier, the people who had about 50,000 and below did not have to pay the tax, but now we have enhanced it to 1.8 lakhs. So there will be the 1.8 to 3 lakh slab, which is going to be 500 rupees, 3 lakhs to 5 lakh slab, which will be 1,000 rupees, 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh slab, which is 1,500 rupees, and above 7.5 lakhs, which will be 2,500 rupees. Also, we have decided that for decriminalization of this entire procedure, where minor offences like not paying the taxes would have led to 3 years of up to 3 years of imprisonment earlier. So we have decided to remove that provision, and now the only penalty that will be there is payment of 4 times the amount that is due in the whatever the amount that is due. The person will have to pay 4 times more. So that part of imprisonment has been removed from the act. And the last is that that there will be an interest amount at a 12% per annum interest for those who are paying late.
Menteri Rangba ulapan benar bagi Sorkar kelam menjuru ke National Law University of Megalaya Ordinance Arhajar Arpuar. Nagebenta bantau ke National Law University hak jela. Ulang bayakan ke ordinance ansara aswa yang dorbar tawan ke jela nagebenta banyo ke jing menjur. Ndrei Sorkar jela keladap simpat ekarai ban peniak cekmat bantau ya ke National Law University. Nalor kini uli itu bahagi ni kindiat sengi ke Sorkar kelam menjur bantung kam tungjam haga Model Degree College Rongjeng haga District East Garo Hills kumbelale haga Model College Hapathar Khama.
Agreed to the creation of post for Patarkama Model College, and this was the follow-up of that. And today we have cleared the Rongjeng Medical College, the Model College. We have also we have agreed to the creation of post, and that has been approved today by the cabinet. I'm happy to inform you that the cabinet has cleared the ordinance today, which means that the National Law University of Meghalaya has been approved, and of course this will have to go to the assembly for final approval. But the decision to establish a national law school university has been taken today, and We are obviously going to work from a temporary campus for the initial time, and as we move forward, we will be going into a permanent campus, but we intend to start this at the earliest, and roughly about 60 students will be taken every year, and the financial impact on an annual basis will be approximately 6.5 crores, and depending on the assets and the different infrastructures created, the capital expenditure will differ from year to year. But as I said, we felt the need for a national law university to be there, and I'm happy to inform that this law university will come up.
Konrad kongkal sangma ula pentip agni ngasngi bula dek keren berulam pang geng dor bartawan gejela ban ailat no iki MLA gejela bakin keren dagi tien lajong laga deka kasi ne garo hapok geng dor bartawan gejela. Hendrai ulo angpat bakin iki MLA ken hab ban penkre apat ek jing tho jongki kabalapen kelas ka ketien pareng. Ulo ang bagane kejeng ailat kan long tang habawan ra iki motion ki resolution ne habayata helor kejeng keren mat pang ulat gejela ya kamang tengka. Menteri Rangba ulong bagi Sorkar kan tahu ya ke commission ke ban pet kerpang ha ke bayadai bagi jing penyat skul ha ke jela. Bat ke Sorkar ke dan jing saukia na ke benta ke bah kamiat jong kinong hikai ha ke jela. Kam tam ha bagi Sorkar kamlak bentuklar ya ke skul jong kirio shimet.